Hello, we're doing a test video today. See what the sound is on this new camera I got. Sorry about that. It's a Sony CyberShot 16.1 megabytes, and if I can get it to stand still so it's not too wobbly. Okay. I don't know what kind of focus we've got here. I'm in front of the camera today. So let's zoom in a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, I think that's backwards. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Okay, there we go.